Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato sauce from canned tomatoes. First, select the best quality whole peeled tomatoes you can find. They are the foundation of great sauce. You'll also need good olive oil, fresh garlic, and basil. Using a heavy-bottomed pot is key for even heat distribution and preventing your sauce from sticking. Let's get cooking. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to start cooking. Gently crush the whole tomatoes with your hands or a potato masher for a rustic texture. Next, warm some olive oil in your pot and sauté minced garlic until it's fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Add the crushed tomatoes and let the sauce simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. And speaking of keeping things clean, after all that cooking, wouldn't it be great to have a spotless kitchen? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. As your sauce finishes simmering, stir in fresh basil leaves right at the end to preserve their bright flavor and aroma. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. This homemade tomato sauce is perfect for pasta, pizza, or as a base for other dishes. Store any leftovers in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze for longer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.